welcome back. Thanks for tuning into the video again. We have a little problem with the car today. Just got back from the store and I noticed something on the hood of the car. Somebody obviously put a bag or something on it and, pulled it off, left a little scuff on the hood. I thought maybe it was just a bit of dirt. We've had a lot of rain and I haven't washed the car in a while, so you sometimes get the little specks of dirt on there. I thought maybe it was just weird water running on there or something. So I brought her home, gave it a little wipe, and it's not. It is actually a little scuff in the clear coat. So in this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to get rid of that. It takes just a couple of seconds and should save you a lot of time and hassle if this happens to happen to your car. Alright, so I know in the light it does probably look pretty clean, but it's not. But I came out of the store today and I noticed, if you guys can see it here, there's a big, there you go, if you get it in the light, there's a big scuff here, and you keep coming down and it flares out on the bottom. So I don't know if somebody put their bag on the hood of this thing and dragged it off, or if an animal ran across it or something. But at first I thought it was dirt. And just so you know, I'm not lying to you guys in the video. I do use this stuff, detailer spray. You can go back and check out the review on that if you want. But we'll wipe it on there. Give it a good wipe. It's got to be clean for this process anyways. But you can see it is still there, clear as day. So it is definitely in the clear coat. It's not some sort of dirt or anything like that. You can see the big part as well does not come off. So I have actually had this on my other car in the past. I have a Pathfinder as well, and I picked up this MEGUIAR'S Ultimate. This is the polish. They do make a compound, looks exactly the same as this, except it's the Ultimate compound. This stuff works like magic. This is not too bad. It's got a little bit of a scuff there, but it's not deep. The polish will be all that you need. If it's a little bit deeper, or you use this stuff and you don't get the results you want, go pick up the compound, do the same steps as we're going to use with this, rub it in, wipe it off, then go back with the polish. This will just give it the shine. The compound works really well as well, but it won't give you the super shiny look that this stuff will give you. So I'm going to go grab what we'll use and then we'll get at it. Alright, so I do actually have a DA polisher, but I know a lot of people watching this video probably don't. So we're going to do it the old school way. Just get yourself a little foam pad like this, and then obviously your polish. And you don't need a lot. Make sure before you use this, give it a good shake. Everything that you use on your car, they always want you to shake it up. Just mixes everything that's in there together, and you'll get better results in the end. So take your polish, squirt it on here. Don't be stingy. This stuff's cheap. I think this whole bottle was only like 10 bucks or something like that. So get a bunch on there. Dab it on where you see all the ugly spots. Just like that is where we're working. And then because the lines kind of look like it was pulled off side to side, you want to go up and down first. So get some elbow grease in there, just straight up and down. We'll do this in real time so you can see how easy this actually is. This polish and the compound, like I said a minute ago, is magic. If you have a car and you're worried about little scuffs and stuff like this, MEGUIAR'S stuff is cheap and it works better than most of the expensive stuff out there. So like I said, little elbow grease. Don't be worried about doing circles. This is a polish. Even if you leave a little bit of a scratch here or there or swirl, it's going to clean itself up anyways. Back and forth, just like so. Up and down, just like that. And then take your cloth here again. We'll use this orange one. Fold it so you don't have your detail on there. Give it a couple good little wipes. And just like that, you can see all in real time, it is gone. There's a little bit left right here that I might have to hit it again 1 or 2 times, but 99.9% of that is gone, just like that. 10 seconds, give her a scrub, wipe it off. Like I said, right here, if you're not happy with it, try it again. If you do it again and it doesn't come off, go grab the compound, do 1 or 2 with the compound, grab your polish again, and boom, she is done. All right, so I ended up going over it 1 more time, and I am happy and more than happy with the results, because you can see here now, there's nothing left of that scratch that was on there. So, like I said, you guys watched the video, it took like 30 seconds. All you need to pick up, polish. If it's worse, compound and polish, but luckily this stuff is super cheap. Like I said, I believe this video or this bottle was like $9.99. It might have been on sale, but either way, under 20 bucks. Grab a little foam pad, or if you got anything around home, even a microfiber cloth will work. It might be a little bit more elbow grease you got to put in, but it will work. And your car should be nice and shiny and back to normal in no time. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you pick some of this up, throw it in your garage for emergencies. If you like the video, leave us a thumbs up and subscribe, and hopefully we catch you guys in the next one.